In this video, we're going to talk about the two types of dependencies: volatile dependencies and stable dependencies. A dependency is considered volatile if any of the following conditions are true. The dependency doesn't exist yet. The dependency is likely to change in the future. The dependency is hard to unit test. Or the dependency contains non-deterministic behavior. Otherwise, the dependency is considered to be stable. Now, it's for volatile dependencies that we should avoid instantiating them directly using the new keyword and instead program to an abstraction and use dependency injection. For stable dependencies, it's okay to instantiate them directly. For example, in the previous video, we did not create an instance of the book repository class inside our business logic layer because the book repository class is a volatile dependency. First of all, the book repository class did not exist at the time of writing our business logic layer. And second, book repository used entity framework core for its data access logic, which is likely to change if we want to switch to a different ORM. Other examples of volatile dependencies include classes included in the .NET base class library for file input-output such as FileStream, web services, and time-based services such as datetime.now because it contains non-deterministic behavior. On the other hand, in our previous example, we instantiated the book class directly using the new operator because the book class was a stable dependency. Other examples of stable dependencies include utility or helper classes and data transfer objects.